Welcome back to Foxtecc. Today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in a browser on your iPad. While it's similar to taking a regular screenshot anywhere else on your iPad, there are a few key differences that you should know about. To take a screenshot in a browser on your iPad, you can use several methods. The most common method is pressing the top button and either the volume up or home button simultaneously, depending on your iPad model. This method works just as it does for taking screenshots of anything else on your device. Another method is asking Siri to take a screenshot for you. Simply say, "Hey Siri, take a screenshot," and Siri will capture whatever is on your screen. This is a hands-free way to get the job done and can be quite convenient. If you prefer using Assistive Touch, you can set up a custom action to take a screenshot. Go to Settings, tap Accessibility, then Assistive Touch. From there, you can customize the menu to include a screenshot option, allowing you to take a screenshot with just a few taps. For those using an Apple Pencil, there's a gesture you can use to take a screenshot. Swipe up from the bottom corner of the screen with your Apple Pencil, and your iPad will capture a screenshot. This is particularly useful if you're already using your Apple Pencil and don't want to switch to using your fingers. After you take a screenshot using any of these methods, you'll see a thumbnail of the screenshot appear in the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on this thumbnail to enter the editing section. Here, you'll notice an additional option at the top of the screen: regular or full page. Selecting the full page option allows you to capture an entire web page from top to bottom rather than just what's visible on the screen. This can be incredibly useful if you want to save a complete article or web page. Once captured, you can save the full page screenshot as an image or even a PDF file in your Files app. This feature makes taking screenshots in a browser on your iPad versatile and highly functional. Whether you need a quick capture of what you see or a detailed record of an entire web page, your iPad has you covered. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Peace.